Day one, another transformation project. A few trees up front that are going to be going. This one, this one. And the rest of this place is getting completely cleared out. All these trees are gone. The brush obviously first. We'll finish with stump grinding. This is really going to transform into a kind of a park / art area. End of day 3, final walkthrough. One up in the corner, the one here. Just finished leaf blowing and raking out, kind of grading the driveway. And here she is. I think it was over 11 stumps ground. About 19, 20 trees. Super close quarters, but got her done. Just had to open up some canopy first.